So, good day, ma'am. So, today I'm going to explain the code for the voltmeter, which is lesson 12. So, first, here we're going to put and include a library code, which is the include wire H, and then next is the include liquid crystal I2C.H. Next is here I will put crystal that I2C lead 0.0x2716 and 2. Here is to set the LCD address to x times 27 for a 16 char and 2 line display, and to put a float val is equals to 0. And here to set up is I will put serial begin 9600. Here is the initial of the serial. Next is the LCD init. This will initialize the LCD. Next is the LCD backlight. Here is where we open the backlight. Next is LED.print voltage value. This is the value of the voltage. Next is the void loop, and we're going to loop. Here we're going to put val analog read. Here is to read the value of the potentiometer to the val. Next is val equals to val times 124 I divided by 124 times 5 times 5.0. Here is to convert the data, the corresponding value, voltage value in a math way. Next is to serial print the val. Here is to print the number of val on the serial monitor. Next is to print serial print V. Here is to print the unit as V, short for voltage, on the serial monitor. Next is serial print in. Here, next is the LCD set cursor 6 and 1. Here is to place the cursor in the line 1 in column 6. From here, the characters are to be displayed. Next is LCD print val. Here is to print the number of val on the LCD. Next is LCD print V. Here it will print the unit as V, short as the voltage on the LCD. And then delay 200. This will delay and wait for 200 ms. So that's all. I will show you the result.
So this is my output, ma'am. So this is the code that I made for this, and if ako na siyang ipasaka, ako ipasaka mo saka ang kuan, ang value, ang voltage, and then yung max kay only 493 because it's only 5 voltage. That's all. I will explain.